Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are inside Robinson's Place Antipolo and we're going to try one of the newest restaurants in the mall. Tiong Bauro, one of the Michelin awarded gourmet restaurants in Singapore. So the beginning of the service, they will offer you a soup with onion chives. Tastes good, not so salty. And then also they will offer you these three kinds of condiments: ginger, soy sauce, and chili. Beginning appetizer, we have this ano to, mother? Fish tofu. Fish tofu. So we also ordered a half-size roasted chicken, jasmine rice, Hainanese rice, and squid tofu. Alright, let's see. So the prices are quite very affordable, although they are charging additional service charge. Michelin Deep Gourmand Awardee from 2017 for the last 7 years.
Sorry.
So this is
Squid tempura.
squid tempura.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, mother. Let's start. Fish and squid tempura. Let's see. Para lang siya. It's just like nuggets, no? Their silverwares are always soaked in hot water. Yes. Okay. Ginger, mother. That's ginger. Try it first. Let's see. Ginger, soy sauce, chili. It doesn't taste like squid, but it's more of like a starchy, deep fried chunks. Okay, not really that wow. Now let's see this fish tofu. It's deep fried, by the way. Yes.
Hainanese.
Yeah, we're going to share it, kuya. In the middle, please.
Jasmine.
Sa kanya yung Hainanese rice, jasmine, for me, jasmine. And we're gonna share the half-size roasted chicken. By the way, Tiong Bauro is basically more on chicken dishes. Hello,
Ito yung
Clayton.
half roasted po natin.
Alright, thank you.
Order is complete po, ma'am. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. Wow. Okay, let's see. Roasted chicken. This kind of fillet. No bones. And then served with zucchini. Actually, this is cucumber. And sauce. I hope this is from the juice of the chicken. Parsley and some onion chops. Alright, let's see. But first, let me try the fish tofu. Ginger, soy sauce, chili. Not really a wow. It's fine. This is more on starch, more on flour. The price for this each is 195 each. Jasmine rice. And my mother is having Hainanese rice. Ang lasa.
Parang malagkit.
Jasmine rice. Tastes good. A little watery. Try ko nga to. Sa Hainanese chicken. Okay. That's good. Very tasty. Now let's try the chicken. By the way, the food is cold. Very cold. But very tasty, juicy and tender. Let me try the sauce. It's a sweet sauce. This I do not recommend. I do not recommend. This is good. It's just the food is cold, really cold. Alright. Overall, the flavors are there. Very flavorful, especially the chicken. Overall, tastes fine. Mother, ang masasabi mo? Ang lasa. Medyo malamig. Malamig yung pagkain. Ito okay lang. Very normal. Common. You can buy this in the grocery. You can buy this in the grocery. Yung rice, for me, the best tasting here is the Hainanese rice. Really full of, packed of flavors. Looks like this is a hoisin sauce. The restaurant is beautiful, very spacious, clean. But they do not offer any lemon or calamansi. Located inside Robinson's Place Antipolo.